So it's trying to create a shape that goes on the outer edge. So what I'm going to do is duplicate the layer and select everything that's on it. You can kind of see all these bits and pieces to it. And when you have the Pathfinder here, I'm just going to take it and unite everything that's on there and option across so you can see it's one piece, one solid shape. The only trouble is there's a couple things that are missing with the gap, and we want to use the entire piece to try to build up this shape. So I'm just going to kind of make some shapes on here just to fill these gaps and try to bring them across. So it's just kind of looking around. When it gets down to the body of the character, you can see it a little bit more obvious. But here's the shape, for example. Just kind of bend it out down here. So the part that you have this freeform section is where you're trying to create this part of the character. So just going to make this kind of build this part up. Okay, so again, this has all these pieces. Take the selection tool, trying to make one solid piece. It is a duplicated layer, and you can kind of see all these sections that are here. So let's see, I'll zoom in a little bit. Take the pen tool. And just trying to do whatever I can to make this piece. So this is thick enough I can draw right into it. So there's a shape. So let's see. I could have tried to just draw right around the edge of the shape, but I'm trying to make a shape out of the entire thing and just offset the path. Let's see if I can make it better. So there becomes this entire piece. Select all of it. There's the Pathfinder that makes it one shape. So this one, drag selection tool here. Kind of see I have just a little bit. And take the pen tool, delete that anchor point. Zoom in on a little bit. Okay, so now I have this entire piece. Let's see if I can double click on it. So I bring this above it and select this one just to give it a off color. So there's the image on top of this piece. So on this section, just going to go to Object, Path, and offset the path. And click on Preview. So I have about 10 points. I'm going to keep that one right there. And here I can get rid of this guy. So now I have this outer edge that is behind this, but it's the actual section that just gives me a little bit more, because right now I have these pieces as white on top of this, so that's fine. But that gives me the outer outline for it. So let's see if that makes sense. So there's your outline.